What are gates? Binary logic deals with binary variables and with operations that assumes a logical meanings. It is to describe in algebraic or tabular form the manipulation done by the logic circuit called gates. A logic gate is idealized by physical electronic devices implementing a Boolean functions or logical operations performed on one or more binary inputs that produces a single binary 0 1. Logic gates perform basic logical operations and are the fundamental building blocks of digital integrated circuit. Most of the gates takes an inputs of two binary values and output a single value of a 0 or can be described by means of an algebraic expression. The input-output relationship of the binary variables for each gate can be represented in a tabular form by a truth table. This is about the gates. A logic gate is elementary building block of a digital circuit, and logic gates are electronic circuit that operates on one or more inputs single and produces on output signals. Most logic gates have two inputs and one output. At any given moment, every terminal is in of the two binary conditions. Low, that means 0, high means 1, represented by different voltages level. Types of logic gates. There are different types of logic gates. First, AND gate. Second is OR gate. Third, NOT gate. Fourth, NAND gate. Fifth, NOR gate. Sixth, XOR gate. 7, XNOR gate. Let us see one by one. Basic logic gates. First is AND gate. Second is OR gate. Third is NOT gate. In Boolean algebra, there are three basic operations that are logical multiplication, logical addition, and logical inversion. These logical operations are AND, OR, and NOT gates. First is AND gate. Figure 1 shows the logical symbol for a AND gate, and figure 2 shows the truth table for a AND gate is 1 if and only if all the inputs are 1, or in other words, the output is high only when all the inputs are high. The gate which performs AND operation is known as AND gate. For the AND gate with two inputs A and B, the output is Y. Look at this figure. The figure shows the truth table for AND gate. Its logical equation is y is equal to a dot b, means it read as a y equals to a and b. Okay, when we give input a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. Wait. When we give a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, then output will be 0. When we give let us see another condition. Second condition, when we give a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, then output is 0. When we give let us consider third condition. When we give a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, then output is 0. And when we give last condition, this one, when we give a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, then output will be 1. That is the truth table for AND gate. The AND operation is also referred to a logical multiplication, and therefore it is a symbol OR gate. The output of an OR gate is 1 if one or more input is 1, or in other words a high output, that is 1, results if one or both the inputs to the gate are high, that is 1. If neither input is high, a low output, that means 0, results. It behave according to the truth table. Look at this figure 1. Figure 1 shows the logical symbol for a OR gate, and figure 2 shows the truth table for a OR gate. When we use A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then output will be 0. When we use A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then output will be 0. And when we use, let us consider second condition. When we use this one, when we use A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then output will be 1. When we use A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then output will be 1. When we use input A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then output will be 1. This is the OR gate truth table, and this is the logical equation y is equal to A plus B, that it is read as y equals A or B. NOT gate. Is a digital logic gate that implements logical negation. It operates only on single input. A high output 1 results if the input is low, that means 0. If the input is high, means 1. A low output means 0 results. The NOT gate is having only one input and only one output. Its logical equation is written as y is equal to NOT A, that means A bar. Figure 1 shows the logical symbol for a NOT gate, and figure 2 shows the logical truth table for a NOT gate. Look at this table. When we use A is equal to 0, then output will be 1, and when we use A is equal to 1, then output will be 0. The NOT operation is also referred to as an inverter or complementation. The presence of a small circuit known as the bubble always denotes inversion in a digital circuit. This bubble denotes the inversion in a digital circuit. Look at this bubble. Next, universal gate. The AND, OR and NOT are the basic logic functions and are able to perform logical multiplication, logical addition and logical inversion. Now we will study the universal gate, NAND and NOR. The NAND and NOR gate are known as a universal gate because these gates can perform the logical operation and NOT. Let us see one by one NAND gate. Figure 1 shows the logical symbol for a NAND gate, and figure 2 shows the truth table for a NAND gate. Here a bubble of output side of an NAND gate represent NOT operation, inversion or complementation. Look at this figure. This is a bubble. This bubble shows the inversion or complementation part. The NOT AND operation is also known as NAND operation. The output is high either of input A or B is high, or if neither is high, it can be also be defined as the output of NAND gate is low or 0 if and only if all the output are high or 1. The logic equation is y is equal to a dot b whole bar. When we pass a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, then output will be 1. When let us consider second condition. When we pass a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, then output will be 1. When we pass a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, then output will be 1. And now consider the last condition, this one. When we pass a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, then output will be 0. That is the NOR gate is defined as the output is high if and only if all the inputs are low. That is, it is normally high, but any kind of non-zero inputs will take it low. The NOR gate and the NAND gate can be said to be universal gate, since combination of them can be used to accomplish any of the basic operations and can thus produces an inverter, an OR gate, or the AND gate. This figure 1 shows the logical symbol for a NOR gate, and figure 2 shows the truth table for a NOR gate. When we pass input a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, then output will be 1. Let us consider second condition. When we pass a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, then output will be 0. Then third condition, this one. When we pass a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, then output will be 0. When we pass last condition, when we gives a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, then output will be 0. That means your NOR gate can be defined as the output is high if and only if all the inputs are low. That is your NOR gate. Exclusive OR operation is most widely used in a digital circuit. Figure 1 shows the logical symbol for a XOR gate, and figure 2 shows the truth table for a XOR gate. The exclusive OR operation is most widely used in a digital circuit. It is not a basic logic operation and can be performed with the basic gates AND or NOT and universal gates NAND and NOR. The XOR gate is digital logic gate that implement exclusive disjunctions. The output of an XOR gate is low if and only if either the inputs are high or both the inputs are low. Let us see how. When we pass a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, let us see in input part, then output is 0. And when we pass a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, then output will be 1. And when we pass a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, then output will be 1. Now consider the last condition, input. When we pass a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, then output will be 0. Remember one thing in a XOR gate, the output of an XOR gate is low if and only if either the inputs are high or both the inputs are low. Means look at this condition, both inputs are high, then output is low, and both condition 1 1, then output is 0. Because of its importance, the standard symbol shown in figure 1 is used for this operation, and it is treated as a basic logic element. Truth table of a XOR gate is given in figure 2. This figure 2 shows the truth table. If we compare the truth table of XOR gate with that of an OR gate given in OR gate truth table, we find that the first 3 rows are same in both, only the 4th row is different. This circuit finds application where two digital signals are to be compared. From the truth table, we observe that when both the inputs are same, that means 0 or 1, the output is 0. Whereas when the inputs are not same, one and another is 0 and the other is 1, the output is 1. Let us see next gate. Exclusive NOR gate, that means XNOR gate. Figure 1 shows the table for a XNOR gate. Its logic operation is specified as y is equal to A XNOR B, and similar to XOR gate, exclusive NOR gate is not a basic operation and can be performed using the basic gates or universal gate, but because of its importance, it has been given a standard symbol. The XNOR operation is also referred to as the coincidence operation because it produces output of 1 when its inputs coincidentally in value both 0 or both 1. When we use, let us see how. When we use first condition, A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then output will be 1. Now the second condition, when we use A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then output will be 0. When we use A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then output will be 0. And when we use A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then output will be 1. That is your truth table. Remember one thing in XNOR gate, when its input coincide, when the XNOR operation is also refers to as the coincident operation because it produces output of 1 when its input. Next topic is application of logic gate. NAND gate are used in a burglar alarm and buzzers. They are basically used in circuits involving computation and processing. They are also used in push button switches, for example doorbells. They are also used in functioning of street lights, and gates are used to inhibit the data transfer functions. They are also used in TTL, that means transistor logic, and CMOS circuitry stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is a technology used to provide integrated circuits. CMOS circuits are found in several types of electronic components, including microprocessors, batteries, and digital cameras, image sensors. Wherever the existence of any one or more than one incident is needed to be observed, or some behavior are to be taken after their existence, in all those instances or gate can be used. For example, in an industrial plant, if one or more than one specification goes beyond the safe value, some security measures must be done. A pathway, while inhibit gate in is the opposite of the processes, which means rejections of data through a pathway. XOR or X and XNOR gates are used in a identity generations and identity check operations. NOT gate are also called inverter because they switch the output given to them and show reverse outcome. These are the applications of logic gates. Next topic is advantages of logic gates. Circuit design more economical and simple. Logic 1 and logic 0 can be easily distinguished. Use low energy, don't get overwork, straightforward data encryption and description. Means here logical operation, look at this first point. Circuit design more economical and simple. Logical operations are performed using Boolean algebra, which makes the circuit design more economical and simple. And logical gates don't get overworked. Logic gates can be lessen the prescribed numbers of input output ports needed by the microcontroller. Logic gates can be bring about straightforward data encryption and decryption. Disadvantages of logic gate. First is operating voltage is limited. Second is time delay occurs between input and output. The disadvantage of a logic gates are operating voltages is limited, and second is time delay occurs between input and output. These are the two disadvantages of a logic gates. As logic gates are the best utility device in modern technology, but there have some disadvantages are as follows. Logic circuits use more energy than other circuits like analog circuit to accomplish the same task. Resultant circuit produces more heat. This can be limit us of logic circuit. For activations logic circuit requires power system and portable or battery power system, which are limited in power. Review of a logic gate. First is an AND gate produces 1 if both inputs value are 1. This is for AND gate. And or second is an OR gate produces 0 if both inputs values are 0. This is for OR gate. Third is a NOT gate inverts its single input. This is for NOT gate. And fourth is a NAND gate produces 0 if both inputs are 1. This is for NAND gate. And fifth point is a NOR gate produces An XOR gate produces 0 if inputs value are the same. This is for exclusive OR gate. And last is an XNOR gate produces 1 if inputs value are the same. This is for the logic gate exclusive NOR gate. This is the review of all the logic gates. Thank you.